In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix the Discord won't open in Windows 11 and how you can fix this app. So if you're having a trouble with the Discord, whenever you try to open the Discord, if it's not working, it's not opening or neither it's not launching, this is what we have to do. So the first one, what you need to do is we have to go over here, type here for Task Manager, and what you need to do is we have to click on this. Now from here, once you get into this, we have to expand this over here at the top. Now from here, we have to go over here in the search. Now we need to type here for the Discord here. Once you find the Discord, you have to right click and go for end the task and make sure anything associated with the Discord is completely gone from here. Once you close this, and you can just go back or search here for the Discord and you can just open it and you can check. Still, if there is an issue, then what you need to do is we have to try it once again. We have to go over here for the Task Manager and we have to click on this. Now from here, you have to check whether anything associated with the Discord or any kind of leftover is there or here or not. If you find it, you have to just remove it, make sure that it's completely gone. And also over here in the system tray, make sure the Discord is not here as well. Afterwards, we have to go over here, type here for the run command and you have to just press enter. Now we need to type %app data % and just go for OK. Now from here, what you need to do is we have to scroll it down all the way down and navigate to the Discord here. Now from here, we have to go to the cache and go for deleted. Now from here, go to the GPU cache and also we have to go for deleted. And also we have to go for the code cache and also try deleting as well. After all these three things are deleted, that is cache, code cache and GPU, all these three things should be deleted. Afterwards, we have to close this over here. And from here, we have to navigate to the search and type here for settings and you have to click on this. Now from here, we have to go to the apps. Now go to the installer apps. Now from here, what you need to do is we have to scroll it down all the way down and navigate to the Discord over here. So once you find the Discord over here, you can see this is the Discord. You have to click on the three-dot menu and go for uninstall it. After uninstalling, you have to close this. And what I'm saying is instead of downloading it from the Google Chrome, you have to use the stable version, or the most best way is all about you have to go to the search. Now type here for the Microsoft Store and you have to click on this. So Microsoft Store is actually a marketplace where you can get all kind of apps here for free and paid apps. So go to the Discord or you can search here for Discord here like this and it will be available, and you have to get this from here and try installing this particular version of Discord, and most probably the issue regarding this will be completely fixed. And this is what we have to do, and I'll see you in the next video. That's it. Bye.